Uwayu samla nak jela Karnataka ubala tip kerteng Krishna Nayak hnek sngi habakran bet kilat pathai khobor ulai thu ba ulas dang ya gane gijing ieid lenti jungu ban pynsngewthuh habedei bat ka yoga nak jela Karnataka bat menta ulapoi ha ka jela Meghalaya hagaba niu samla ulai thu ba ulai ieid keleng saudong jong ka jela Meghalaya kum sadauki sora maulanong bat ki wedi ki benta ban pen priang ya jing don kam jong ka yoga bat ai jing hi kairu ya ki samla ha ki benta ba pher uniu samla ulai thu ba hadu manta ulala ban pendep khat khandai tli ki jela ha ka ri India bat ha gini ki khindiat sngi ki banwan un sami nak jela Meghalaya sha Assam bat unlei sha Delhi sha Kashmir bat un penkut ya gini ki jingyat kjat jong u ha jela Karnataka
Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and right now just Shillong city, then heading towards New Delhi to Kashmir, back to Karnataka. So this is completely walking, sir. Have been traveling since last 2 years, all the way from Karnataka. So along with my Padayatra, daily I am visiting universities, medical colleges, engineering colleges, school colleges to spread the importance of yoga in the sense of what is yoga, why yoga, what is the true purpose of yoga, then why we need to adapt yoga, and now why yoga getting highly popular across the world right now. That's and also so sir in Meghalaya, so I have covered Jovai, Clariet, Dauki, Chirapunji and everywhere. So 4 days ago I reached here. After reaching here, so then I got an opportunity to meet Honorable Governor sir. Then I successfully meet him. Then after this, so this suggested me to conduct some programs here. Then successfully conducted program at NIT, William Carey University, and St. Edmund College. And even just we are looking forward to conduct more programs here. And already one program is fixed in Central Agriculture University, Umiam. So then after that, just we have to think about then to conduct the programs there. So and so in Meghalaya, so just how to say thank for the Meghalaya government and press people and everyone, because they are taking care of me like their own family members. Wherever I go, I receive a cordial invitation by people. So it's a fantastic. Just I was so curious about it before entering this Meghalaya and northeast part of India, but it was totally. I was really lucky to be part of northeast part of India. And sir, I want to share something about my campaign. That means it's a completely Padayatra. So I entered this northeast part of India 1 year ago. So on 25th October 2023, I entered this northeast part of India and also conducted more than 150 programs in across northeast part of India. And this is the last part. And so then in northeast India, just I had to face just only 2 more problems. So when I was in Arunachal Pradesh, then I had to face severe problems like that natural calamity. So then just otherwise just everything is fine, and also conduct programs everywhere. Thank you so much. And also sir, I would like to request the people of Meghalaya and also nation people, so please adapt yoga. So then and also planting more trees everywhere. So I think this is the best way to save our future generation. And thank you very much for giving this biggest opportunity. So after this, 2 more days, I decided to plan to stay here for next 3-4 days here to conduct some programs. After that, just I'm leaving the city, Shillong city, then heading towards Guwahati side, sir. So and this is something about the journey, sir. So you may raise, if you any question, just you may raise any.
To Meghalaya, to all different parts of Meghalaya.
I have not faced any problems in Meghalaya. Just I had to face one problems in Manipur. So while walking on my way, while I'm walking on my way, just I used to wear Indian flag. Some people are come at me and then you need to remove Indian flag like that, because the strict violation is going inside the state. That's the only one biggest problem. And one more problem, one is the biggest main problem in Arunachal Pradesh due to natural calamity. Then while I'm walking on my way, then I had to jump to the river also. Then I had to face severe problems there. The stuff, everything is fine, but I have not faced any problem from the publics. And sir, it took 2 years to reach here from Karnataka to here. So, and I hardly walked about more than 13,000 kilometers. Still have to walk more than 15,000 kilometers in next 3 years. So, along with my path, every day I have to conduct programs, right? So, it takes more time. And it's a thank you very much, sir, for giving this biggest opportunity to share something about this campaign. And if any question, you may raise, sir.
So where you will end this campaign? In which state you will end this campaign?
Sir, state right now.
Yes.
Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Assam, Meghalaya. It is right now Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Then just I'm leaving the northeast part of India, sir. After some days later.
So where you will end this campaign? In which state you will end this campaign?
So still.
In which state you will end?
So from here, from after Shillong, then heading towards Guwahati, New Delhi, Kashmir, back to Karnataka. The campaign will end in Karnataka only, sir. So I think it takes next 3 years to campaign, sir. And also we have planned to conduct at least 1,000 programs. So still date I have to have completed more than 400 programs, sir. Still have to conduct more than 600 programs, sir. So our main motto is there, sir. So that's the reason I visited more the remotest areas. Then also when I was in Arunachal Pradesh, then I went to the Kipi to Kaho to conduct the programs. Then successfully conduct the program in army camps, universities, remote areas. Our main intent was just try to spread the importance of every corner of the nations. And so then I have to say this, sir. I have not connected with any organization or government, and this is completely volunteer service for the nation, sir. Thank you, sir. In Karnataka, in our Mysore, Karnataka, we have friends group. They are providing food and accommodation for us, sir.
Why are you traveling the other state and all?
Yes, sir. We have permission letter from the TCS, Superintendent Police, SP, sir, from Karnataka. So after entering the one state to another state or district headquarter, then directly go to the from the police stations or DC officer. They will collect the data. They will allow, sir. So after collecting the data, they inform to the police stations, sir. So wherever I go to the stay at night time, on the way I visit the police station. Just I will submit the data. So I'm from here, there, and there, so on. And after the verification of the documents, they will allow to stay there somewhere, or they will conduct. They will give permission to conduct the programs, sir. Sir. So wherever I go, then almost, sir, after reaching the district headquarters, we try to contact with the DC, sir. So, thank you. So, is there any